Here's how to get the flattest soft locks install. This will make them look like they're literally coming out of your scalp. So what I do to start off is I pre-section the hair, and then I actually open up the soft locks and place them on my pinky finger. That way they're just ready for me to grab whenever I need them. I add in the soft lock hair as I'm braiding it down. So as you'll see here, I'm braiding it about an inch, and then I'm gonna actually add in the soft lock that's on my pinky, and then use the soft lock to braid down the hair as well. And this gives you the flattest soft lock install you'll ever get. It also helps to make it easier for you to take down your soft locks because you only have to cut a small piece of hair, which is the spring twist hair that you're using to wrap the soft locks. Again, I'll go through with you guys. I am single braiding the client's hair, adding on the passion twist, and then braiding it down. It's very simple, very user friendly, and it gives you the cleanest, flattest install.